What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video we're going to start setting up the garage for the two-post lift install. So let's get started. While I'm waiting for Bill, I'm just going to start setting up. I'm going to untarp the trailer there and just have everything accessible and ready to go when he gets here. So I got to get to work. All right, we're back. It's the next day. We had a really long day yesterday, but Bill and I did get the garage all done. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys the final setup. Okay, so here's our new setup. We made some changes. We moved the 4-post from the single bay over onto this side. It works perfect. There's a ton of space. Easily park 2 cars here. Still a ton of room on this side of the wall. There's lots of room here. I'm actually going to remove all this. This was just kind of a temporary setup until I figured out the configuration here, but I'm going to make a proper bench area in front of the 2-post lift. The 2-post obviously went on the single bay side here. Fits nicely, lots of workspace. I'm gonna clean all that stuff up, like I said, and make a proper workbench area. And the heater, I actually had some questions about the heater. As you can see, it used to be right about here, and then I had it pushed forward, relocated over the door. Otherwise, it would have been blowing right on the fender of the car here. But so that worked out nicely. Just got to relocate this central vac can, which is no big deal. And then once I have everything in place, then we're gonna start painting, fixing, and patching everything up. And then of course the last thing will be the floors. But otherwise, yeah, I kind of like this like little corridor here, so to speak. Everything fits nicely, lots of space. I just gotta make the bench area. So that's the setup. To wrap up this video, I want to first start off with a huge shout out to my buddy Bill for helping me out, setting up the hoist, and just doing an amazing job overall. He explained things to me and saw things that I didn't take into consideration, and that's why we ended up with this setup. Bill does this for a living, almost 30 years. Premium Automotive Equipment Sales and Service is his company name. If you guys are looking for a hoist or someone to install a hoist that you acquired elsewhere or service a hoist, Bill does it all. I'll pop in his contact info here, and I'll also drop it in the description for reference for you guys. That said, I love the way the garage turned out. Everything's coming together slowly. The heater worked out perfectly as well. Now we're You know, now we just need to add a little bit of lipstick, some paint, some cosmetic stuff, and just, yeah, make it look a little nicer. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You know we appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.